Okay, we're back. And as you can notice, I have something a little different here. Why do I have this? Well, if you notice, when I was putting the earring together, correct? I kept taking the little link and I kept taking the jump ring and I was taking the pendant and I was putting the pendant on the jump ring and then I was attaching it. You know, I said, make sure that you skip one link and then I was attaching it to here and putting it down. Picking it up, putting it down, picking it up, putting it down, picking it up, putting it down. And I have to tell you, I do like bracelets and earrings that are clustered, but it takes up a lot of time. So I had to find a way to make my life a little easier. So I went and I purchased this helping hand from Amazon. It's A like an apple, O-R, A like an apple, E-M, capital letters on Amazon. It's called a helping hand. And I think, you know, what it has here is a magnifying glass. And they use this type of tool for a lot of soldering, if you're familiar with it, of course. If you make jewelry or if you're into wiring. I like it too because it has the little LED light. Comes with a battery automatically. I'm not going to need that right now, so I'm going to put it back up. And I love the alligator clips that they have on the side. My brother helped me put this together. I appreciate it a great deal. So why do I have this? Because in making the bracelet, I found it much more easier. And I have this faced toward the camera. We usually have it faced toward me. So I'm doing this the other way around. I would just take my jump ring. I didn't pre-open these jump rings. And then I would just open it up. And I know how I basically want the bracelet to lay. So again, I'm going to take this, put it on. Then I'm going to come over. Now here, oh, where's the little reamer? Now here, you can see how the chain is laying down. So you can see one link is flat, the other one is round. One link is flat, the other one is round. One link is flat, round, flat, round, so on and so on and so forth. So when you are putting your jewelry together, you decide how you would like to space either your beads or your pendant. And so I made the decision that I want these pendants to lay down on this dainty chain, and I want it to lay down on the flat, round links. So that's every other link that's flat that I'm going to put it on, and that's important. Now, if I had it lying down here, I would have to take it, put it on, lay it down. Then get the next one, pick it up, put it on, you know, fix the jump ring and lay it down. So we know how that goes. So I just want to take this. Now let's try this and put this on. Hold it, Christina, don't lose it. All right, it's there through that link. You're going to come in with your other plier. Hold it. Come down. And you're going to close it. And make sure the jump ring is closed. Ah, there you go. And just double check. Because you know we don't want anything falling off. So it's coming this way, that's fine. Then you're going to take your next one, and then you see how, now just pay attention. Opening up. So I'm doing this the opposite way. You're going to put the pendant on, because I would have it facing me. Sometimes it may close up, so you'll just open it, pull it together. Here it is. That's the flat one. Here's the round one. Here's the next flat one. I'm just going to put that on there like that. Hold it carefully. I'm going to grab it here because that's better for me. Make sure that goes down. Come. Don't let it go. Now these things are thick. Close it up. Make sure the two ends meet. There goes that little clip. Let it go. Here we go. No picking up. No dropping. No trying to figure out which is every other one. Is right here in front of you. If it caves in a little bit, you can open it up and put it on. Trying not to ruin the jump ring by opening it up so wide. Correct. Oop. So there goes the flat one. I like it. Put it on. I have patience, remember, but my goodness, I had some kind of patience. There you go. See how it's looking? Now, even though I came over to, let's see, pull it out. So it's flat. That one is there. Round. Here's a flat one. I skipped it. Oop. You can even make a mistake like that, but that's fine too. You can make errors. Sometimes things can be right in front of you. You still make mistakes. You can see, oops, put it on. So it's flat, round, flat. If I had it in front of me, I would be doing a little bit faster, but I'm doing, there you go. And it drops. You see how it's laying out? And take it and open it. Grab the next pendant. Put it on. And here's the flat one. I don't mind it being that way because it's clustered. But you get the idea, don't you? You see how so much more easier and faster this is. The only thing is you want to make sure that the jump rings, very good, that they close. Find the opening, where the split is. Then you open it. Oops. Grab the pendant, put it on. I opened that pretty wide. And so, again, you can just, you can just pull it open when it starts to cave in a little bit. You can make it really tight. You can tighten this up if you like. I don't want it too tight. There goes the flat part. I'm going to put that on. Grab it. Close my jump ring. Perfect. I'll do one more just to show you. You see how these are lying down? You can see it. You get the idea of what's going on. Right? So again, put it on. I'm trying to have it go in a direction. All right, see what I've done. Okay. All right. There we go. Flat, here's the flat part right here. All right, so what I'm going to do, there you go. So you see how they are, the space is in between. You can assemble it any way you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish assembling this, and I'll be right back.